years for Project for Awesome, I have supported some really great charities, but the problem with these charities is not that they're really great, it's that I, as a broke high school student, have absolutely no way to donate a significant amount of money to them. There are, however, two different things that I have been able to support throughout the years. And knowing that a majority of my viewers are also broke high school and college students, I figured that now would be a perfect time to tell you guys about these things that you might already know about, but might not have used quite yet, and convince you to actually use them. Number one, Kiva.org. I cannot stress how awesome this website is. Unlike with a lot of charities, you know exactly where your money is going to because you choose exactly where your money is going to. And even if you only have $25 to spare, you can still make a huge difference. So far, I've made 2 loans on Kiva. I put $25 into the system to begin with and loaned it through Stawi Group, who used my money along with the money of several other lenders to buy materials to make dresses to sell. When they paid their loan back, I loaned that money out again, this time to a woman named Sally Mata. She's still working on paying her loan back, but when I do get that money back, I plan on loaning it out again and again and again and again and again and again. While giving just $25 to some charities can make little to no discernible difference, with Kiva you know exactly the difference that you're making, and sometimes that difference can be pretty big. Number 2, Tab for a Cause. If you're even more broke and can't put $25 into the Kiva bank, which is the lowest amount of money that you can put in, and you still want to make a difference, or if you're just looking for a way to further the difference that you're making, Tab for a Cause is a great way to do that. This web browser extension is super easy to install, and all it does is lead you to a page with a couple of ads on it whenever you open up a new tab. All of the money that is made from these ads goes directly to the charities that Tab for a Cause supports. You can literally donate to charity while looking for cute cat pictures or going to YouTube. I downloaded this extension about 1.5 years ago, and honestly I don't even notice it anymore, so really there's no reason why everyone in the world who has access to the internet shouldn't be using this extension. Best of all, it's made by Nerdfighters and approved by John Green. So if you're a broke student like me, or simply don't have the money to make gigantic donations to charities, then these 2 options might be really good for you. I'll leave links to both of their websites in the doobly-doo down below, as well as to the P4A website if you want to donate money there. Thanks for listening, and have a happy Project for Awesome.